Hey guys, it's Paul from PN UK Training. I want to give you a quick how to get your certificate. If you are new to Zoho CRM, go to pnuk.co/Zoho CRM and you will see all the sign up links and training links, login links are all here. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see Zoho CRM new user certification. So this is if you've got a job interview where you've got to prove you know Zoho CRM, or your boss wants you to do a quick refresher or some sort of knowledge on it. It's a quick start video on what Zoho CRM is all about. If you scroll down, you see it is completely free. If you can afford a $5 donation or voluntary payment, it does help a little bit with the costs of the platform to keep training and certifications free. You don't have to pay for it, but if you've done maybe 4 or 5 certificates, then maybe pay for one of them. But don't feel like you have to. Enroll now. Sign in with your email, or if you're already logged in. So I will do, I'll sign in. Put in your email, add a password, and sign up. It will take you to the training course. They'll start the course. Start your course, and all this course is one introduction video. I'm not exactly sure how long it is. It's 36 minutes long, but that is the full introduction of everything you need to know about Zoho, all the different training times. There's also a forum post if you want to join the forum and talk about Zoho CRM, anything else you need to know, anything else that you want to learn that isn't in that video, you can either comment on the video or comment in the forum. To get your certificate, once you've watched the video, complete and continue, and you will get your certificate. And when the fireworks stop going off, you can download it to your computer and share that certificate with whoever requires it, or if it's just something you want to keep for your own learning progression, that is how to do it. So pnuk.co/Zoho CRM is where the Zoho CRM new user certification course is. More to come. Let me know what you need. Dive into the forum. Ask for help. Always here to try and keep you getting the most out of Zoho, and especially if it's helping you to get some more employment or new jobs or anything like that. That's what I hope that certificate will help with. If you need certificates for other things, let me know what's missing in the world, and I will try and fill the gap too. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul at PNUK Training. Punk out.